I can see you searching, still so searching, looking for a purpose. I know it's hurting.
Used to be your body, you meant to hear from me. Used to be nobody till you ambush me. Now I'm at your body with you. Now I'm at your solid street. That means no permission. No missionary getting more in this position. Hard to say your song, you don't have to listen. No. I've been up, baby. Every reminiscing. Baby, I'm a missing. You don't wish it was.
Wait, inside of IKEA. He never been to IKEA before. He's never been in here before. It sucks to be you.
People be coming in and taking pictures. They what's never. You go in and take a picture like this?
Yeah. This is ridiculous. It's cold. It's cold.
Like where the shoe thing? There's the shoe rack.
So I think it's all the way in the back. The chair is very different. Very different. We're in IKEA right now, and currently my mom is looking for my sister. I'm over here. My mom is looking for my sister some decoration to go in her house. And right now you can see that she's going through these folks' rugs and messing it up. But come on, let's go.
Yeah, no, for going
I think this is really cute. I'm gonna chill like hallway.
Right, girl. Yeah. You don't like it?
Yeah, it's cute.
I'm not your cameraman. But it's not funny.
I got one of these at the house. Camille's got me this because if y'all don't know, I do nails now since August. And I spent a lot of money on the nail stuff. So y'all follow my nail page. I just made a new nail page, Christy Nail period that. Okay, Christy Nail period that. Follow that page, and y'all gonna see all my nail work I've been doing for the past 2 months. Well, actually, I ain't got my nail work on there because I made a new account. I got a new account because I got a new phone. I got a new phone. My phone not blue no more. It's black. I got a new phone.
Oh, you got that's how you have to make a new Instagram?
Yeah, I ain't got. But the good thing I didn't have to make my my real Instagram over because hot do fire hot. But I ain't got my spam account no more. I still got my old Instagram page, and it took me forever to log into my freaking Gmail for my YouTube. So I'm lucky I got that back because I was almost this close to not getting that back. I'd have been mad, and I would have had to start up my whole YouTube channel. Yeah, thank God for that.
The heck?
This is definitely you. It's crazy you can buy every single piece of item in here.
This bad's with my fail.
Do we lie, baby? Who cares?
Stupid man.
That's hard though. That's hard. That mirror hard.
Cameraman. Oh shit. Cameraman behind the camera. See me behind this motherfucker. Cameraman. V-Long on the jacket. V-Long Palm Angels at that. V-Long Palm Angels.
And it's very much. And that's hard. It's like you're in New York or something. Outfit of the day, we got camel dunks. You know, nothing special. Not too much. Got these from StockX. Not too much. Okay. Jeans from TJ Maxx, Lucky brand. Okay. Gucci bag, y'all see it. Shirt from TJ Maxx, kind of set. And then jacket from Walmart. And hair by me. Stop. And earrings from Forever 21. Necklace from Forever 21. Yeah.
Get my outfit.
And he want to do outfit of the day.
Hey, I'm saying, hold on, let me get out. I ain't picking that shit back up. I ain't picking that shit back up.
Start from the shoes. Birkenstocks, you know what I'm saying?
Birkin on the feet.
Birkin on the feet. $5.
Where you get those from?
I don't even know. I just found them in the closet. $5 on the. You know what I'm saying?
Palm Angel
This ain't no
V-Long.
regular V-Long.
Where'd you get that from?
Angels.
Where'd you get that from, sir?
Don't worry about it. Shh. Secret.
I'm really acting like this MC creative. soon. They can't do something. Take my picture. Take my picture.
No, you trying to take it. Junkie, bro.
Take my
Junkie.
picture for the thumbnail.
Not taking it. Nope. I think I got a gun in my hand.
Like everything they got in here is for sale. This is, you know, that's not bad.
It's cheap. Everything in here is cheap. I'm just noticing it's cheap.
It was definitely giving. Hold on, y'all.
Here.
Definitely giving. Definitely giving. Definitely giving. No, giving definitely supposed to give. And this give is supposed to be giving chill. So y'all see it. It's definitely giving chill. Let me take some pictures. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you whip your hair gets me over. The way you smell. Hit the floor. Hit the floor. Let me see. Watch me get started.
You can't even see. You act like you got my whole body. Oh, there you go. You had to zoomed in. Oh, let me see.
I can't get started.
Wait, what is it? MTV Cribs?
Yeah. A passion thing.
Welcome to my place. As you can
Sir,
see
why
right
do you
here.
still have this? Why do you still have like price tags and stuff? Like, why you still have the price tags?
Did I tell you? Did I tell you look at
We don't
that
leave
price
price tags and stuff
tag?
anymore.
Did I tell you?
It's
look at that price-
2022.
Did I tell you to look at that price tag?
Why is this like?
Just
And why is that fake?
focus up here.
Why is that fake?
Focus up here. Welcome to my crib. This is my crib right here. As you can tell, we got the table.
First of all, you're not gonna live in a
Listen.
forest like this. You're not gonna live in a forest like that. I just know you aren't.
As you can tell, we got the table, 2 chairs right here, looking at the outside view. Perfect date, you know what I'm saying? We just feeling the vibes, the outside of it.
Window lift.
Just focus. Then you got the book cabinet right here. Say if I want to go come over here and pick a book out, read this right quick. What we got right here.
Sir, you don't even read. You don't even read. You don't read. You don't
See what I'm
read.
saying?
You don't read.
That's if you want to read the book.
You don't
I'm
read.
reading on the daily. You got all.
Why do you have 3 of the same books? Why do you have multiple
4
of the same
books
books?
right
Why
here.
do you have multiple of the same books?
Somebody want to read?
Why do you have 1, 2, 3, 4,
Let the camera
5,
focus on me.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14? You're not in the book club. You're not in the book club.
If somebody wants to read,
But
say if
14
I'm-
of the same copies of books.
That's if somebody want to read. Say if I'm reading the book, if somebody want to read along with me. So I got, you know what I'm saying, 11
But your house not even big enough for 14 people.
Then we got the beloved couch right here. Sit.
It's
chill.
giving Sims.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clocks.
Why you have 6 clocks?
That's if you want to watch the clocks. Clocks tick from different countries. Sip a little wine. You see what I'm saying?
Why do they all have price tags on it? What if it gets wet from the
Come over
wine?
here and sip a little wine. You see what I'm saying? The red stuff. Before I have guests, you know what I'm saying? Then we got the small bench right here. We got the little couch right here. Just decoration, you know what I'm saying? Just decoration. Just decorating stuff. Wait, now come on. I'm up. This
Sir, where's your roof?
This just the guest living
Where's your roof? Where's your roof?
This the guest living room right
But
here.
where's your roof? IKEA is very confusing. Very, very confusing. Yo, she do this at every furniture store she go to. Take people's stuff and just move around. Take them folks' stuff and move around like she at home.
Doesn't that look good together?
Yeah. For Casey?
It's gonna be pretty in her living room. I'm telling you, with candles. Put the candle in the middle.
You about to get this? About to get this table?
Yeah.
I was freaking later. Finally at freaking checkout. Girl, you can air fryer from me. All you getting is an air fryer. You better cook in it every day. All you getting is an air fryer. That's all you getting. Look at the cart. And then take that $400 they do what you just gave me to get that cart stick. Cause it ain't giving. I don't take that money that she just spent in here and get that cart.
Rick Owens. Them my Rick Owens honey.
Okay.
In your house. My Rick Owens is in your house.
Huh?
I took some of that shit.
You took the measurement tape. I'm pretty sure that stuff was free. Yeah. Coming after you, they ain't coming after me. He gonna be back in the return or something. Cause I ain't going. I'm going to the Kizza. It's cold. Over there. Oh, over there. Excuse me. Seen it coming. Did you ever see it coming? Keep running. Should've kept running. Goodbye, my friend. I'll go nothing. I will find love again until I find everything we used to be. We used to be sitting in my. I thought it was a real dog too. First put up. Sitting in my feelings, reminiscing about. What you getting, Kobe?
Getting vanilla bean.
Okay, he wants a vanilla bean.
What size?
What size you want?
The medium.
A grande.
Yeah.
And then can I have another vanilla bean?
Also a grande?
Yeah. And can you add caramel to that?
Yeah, do you want caramel drizzle or caramel syrup?
Caramel, both.
Good night.
Yeah. Do it again. Do it again. You was an ignorant man. I'll show you ignorant. This is giving 10 out of 10. Where's water? This is like milk. This is like milk. Yo, she a junkie. She can't really get these folks trash bags. Oh snap. Just take it. Just take the last one. No, I ain't with you. I ain't with her. I'm not with her.
You ain't going there.
I ain't hear no thank you, just sipping. No. People ungrateful, they don't know manners.
Yeah, Madison, what? You don't have a card?
I like the shoes.
Oh, thank you.
Those are cute. Huh?
What's in the camera? You guys vlogging?
Yeah. Hey y'all, so it's 10:13. We've been here for like 2 hours. Like 2 hours. And my mom bought this table for Casey. She got the rugs. She got that. And she got this lantern with the little light going in. She got this lamp. That's what you have from IKEA. Yeah. So yeah.
You just need a big bowl in there.
Oh, this light hit.
I wonder why this leaning.
This light hitting.
This need to. Oh, I'm gonna put some cardboard under this. This need to go back like that.
It's your house a vibe. Thank you. Just to give it a vibe.
I'm gonna put some cardboard under this.
You like it? My head is squeezing. Here, I'm taking my seatbelt off. I'm here at Crumbl Cookie. It's right there. It's right there. I really don't want to take my camera. I'll probably just vlog on my phone. I'm just vlogging my phone. I'm gonna go in.
Like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a Plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this.
I got the Crumbl cookie and I got the cutter to go with it. And I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Favorite of the week, I think. Oh, these are good. It was pink velvet. Let me show y'all. Pink velvet. Let me see. Turn it down. Pink velvet cake, raspberry lemonade. That's raspberry lemonade right there. And then pink donut and cake batter blondie. So I'm finna try it. And I got me a cutter to go with it. Okay. Got my cutter. I'm gonna take a picture of you. You look good. Hey y'all, so the first one I'm finna try is the pink velvet. Y'all, people be talking bad about Crumbl cookie, but I think it's good. But the first one I'm gonna try is pink velvet. It's good. Oh, sweet. I burned it in her car. It's good. This is fire. I don't see why people don't like Crumbl cookie. It's good. It's really good. But sometimes it do be extra sweet. My pink velvet is really good. I should try the raspberry lemonade first. I think I'm gonna try that one next. Goodness, this cookie hard. I'm trying to figure out what this tastes like. Oh shit. I'm trying to figure out what it tastes like. But it's not bad. I really want to try the blondie. Are you watching me? Is she watching me? I think she's watching me. No, she on the phone. I thought she was watching me. Okay, next one I'm trying is the blondie. What? This is pretty hot. It kind of tastes like cookies from Subway. That's what it kind of tastes like. That's what it tastes like. This cookie's good. Basically just ate a whole cookie because I cut them into 4. I should have showed y'all these. Look, what's the pink donut? This reminds me of a donut off The Simpsons. It looks like a donut. It's good, but it looks like a donut. I give the pink velvet an 8 out of 10. The raspberry lemonade, I give that a 7. It's not something I would just say I want, but it's good. I give the blondie one, I give that a 9. And the donut, it don't taste like a donut. I'm giving that a 5. That don't taste like a donut. Maybe because I tried all the rest of them and I'm getting mixed flavors. As of right now, that don't taste like a donut. That was really sweet. I ate all them freaking cookies. I did that for y'all. Normally I wouldn't even try them cookies back to back. But I just tried them all back to back. Hope I don't throw up. Hey y'all. So I just left out of the gym. Okay, I just left out the gym. And when I went in there, I walked on the treadmill for 5 minutes, and then I walked on the treadmill for 5 minutes, then I ran for 5 minutes, and I walked again for 5 minutes, and I ran again for 5 minutes. And after that, I went and got a mat, and I put it in my notes. So I have like a routine. Yeah, I literally was everywhere because I literally was everywhere. I'm trying to do a routine to do like an ab workout. So I literally was just everywhere. I'm not going to cap. I was literally everywhere, so I didn't know what to do. But I know I did like 50 jumping jacks, and I did 50 reach, and I did 30 seconds of a different type of reach. I don't know what type of reach I did. I can't even remember. And then I know I did like 50 weight pulls. Like I got some weights. When I left, I did, before I got ready to leave, I did a machine. I got on this machine where you do like this, but I didn't know how to work that machine, so I got off of it. And then I did another 50 jumping jacks. And that took a total of an hour to do. Y'all, I sound congested. I don't know why. Like 2 days ago, I was eating some hot Funyuns, and all of a sudden I just started feeling like I had something in my throat. I don't know what that is about, but okay. But I was eating some hot Funyuns, and all I know my throat started hurting. I don't know what that's about, but it's weird. And now I just feel like congested. I took some Robitussin yesterday, and I took some the night before when I first started feeling like that. But yeah, I'm still trying to figure out a good workout for me to do. I don't know, I'm just trying to figure out a good workout for me to do. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet.
Yeah. I'm outside. Right outside. TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the girls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in the AMG. Right outside. TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I?
I don't know which one we need.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty up a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart.
Y'all think I'm in this vlog right here? Cause I don't know. I think I'm just in it and start a new vlog. I'm trying to get back to YouTube, so I'm just in this vlog right here. Cause this vlog is literally everywhere, but I'm in this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the bell post notification.